yeah, gonna look and see if there's any support off of that area, and if not, then maybe we're in for another bearish session. Anybody looking to take some shorts off the open here or anything?
No, we're gonna let it calm down.
On the sidelines and wait. Yep.
Yeah. Daryl, how was your little break? We can't hear you, Daryl.
Took his voice away.
Nothing.
Daryl's mute. Alright, we'll let Daryl sort that out. He'll jump on.
Yep.
I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's one of those things where it's just like, you know, you gotta, I guess, not jump on because it could just rifle back higher. You know, I've definitely been involved with those, like in the beginning of my trading career.
Forget to pray.
They're dangerous, those ones.
I mean, even
ones where it opens
so,
up in one direction and then has like a V-shaped reversal.
Shortcomings. And
yeah.
Dangerous
First moves
stuff.
are on move.
just shortcomings in general as well.
Oh,
To help us be better people.
It looks like it might be one of those days.
Better.
We opened up so bearish and then out of nowhere,
Try for the best.
we're starting to push up again. So we shall see. We shall see.
Good health. Repair whatever is going on here.
The overnight
Trading.
mostly mostly bearish, as we could all see here. So
I don't know if that's
maybe we see a little bit of buying pressure come in for the sake of getting some of those shorts from the overnight session out before we
before or during or
we do see maybe some sort of continuation move to the downside. But yeah, I don't really have much of a bias for today in terms of going up or down or anything. I'm really neutral on the day. I'm not thinking that it's going to be a bull day or a bear day. Very neutral.
Yeah, I'm kind of in the same camp because, you know, obviously with the Jackson Hole stuff that's coming out and obviously the Philadelphia Manufacturing Index kind of pointing to stagflation. I don't know whether the market already knows that or if that's new information, you know, kind of being introduced still. It's just going to be probably a digestion day, at least for maybe the first 30 minutes to an hour of trading. I mean, even so, like with this economic data, not much of a crazy range. Like in the NASDAQ that I'm watching, it's like, you know, 70 points. And yesterday it was 100 points, just, you know, straight to the downside in that first 15 minutes. And then just obviously continuing to go lower. So again, just kind of odd, you know. So no real bias yet, but we'll see which way it breaks.
Yep, 10 minutes. 10 minutes for the manufacturing and services PMI. We'll get a better
Well
gauge
remembered.
there.
Well remembered. Forgot about that.
If that stuff comes in, like, if we see some wild numbers, there, maybe we'll all shift to a bias after that. But can't expect
That's
it
it.
necessarily.
That's exactly it. We'll wait for that to come out and then figure out what happens. But that's if anything.
Yeah.
You know, unemployment claims didn't really do much. Came out an hour ago.
Yep.
Yeah.
Let's see.
It's the thing with these markets.
What the freak? Like everything at the same time. Jack up.
Looking at
Is that
gold here. Looking at gold, it's, I mean, since 7 o'clock this morning Eastern time, we've rallied about $22 per ounce here. So maybe a little bit of a rally in gold today. We see a test of 3,400 again, but I'm probably not going to be touching gold, unfortunately. I I will say. Trying to give myself a little bit of a break from gold.
Stupid.
Do some background stuff, so just give me a minute or two, okay?
Yeah, you're good.
Yeah.
Good morning, Tanaka.
Yes, good morning to everyone
Thomas.
watching.
Yeah.
Thomas in the chat. Good to see, good to see.
Of course, like always, good morning, Robert. Always good to see you. TBB, we know you're there. We know you're there.
TBB.
Yeah, Tony.
It's Tony's brother, right?
Tony's got to, yeah. You got to always be breaking. You got to be doubling your previous P&L, right? Right. Tony's got to now go for 20K today.
It's the only logical thing to do is to double your P&L.
Exactly. But how's your day been, Sam? I mean, you're the one who's kind of had already at least a half day in front of you.
Yeah, not too bad. I've been trading my cash account. I'm still trading it a bit, but just want to bump that number up a little bit. I'm up just over $1,000 on the cash account, so pretty happy.
Nice.
But I want to see if I can get another.
Everything just decided
500
to
at
explode.
least. So I'm seeing potential good opportunity, really nice potential trades lining up soon. Those are nice everywhere, so I'd love to take them on the cash account. If I could take them on the Hola Prime account, I might try it as well at the same time. But it's a bit hard to manage 2 trades at the same time.
Right.
Especially when you're in so quick.
Yeah, yeah, especially with your trading style, I completely understand. Yeah, no doubt. For me, it's even tough, and I'm not in and out, so quickly. So I completely understand. You've been killing it lately, though. So just keep doing what you're doing, whether it's cash account or Hola Prime account. Yeah.
That's it. The market's been pretty decent for the most part. Just gotta sit on your hands and wait. Oh.
Yeah.
If you hear a noise, I've got a heater on. I don't know, it's become really cold all of a sudden in the UK. We had a heat wave, and now it's cold again. So I'm just blasting hot air onto myself. It's nice. So if you can hear a hum.
Yeah, oh no, it's good. It's fine. Barely anything at all, if any. I wouldn't have noticed it, I don't think, if you hadn't mentioned it. So it's all good. It just sounds good. So, all right, the Dow's coming down here a little bit. The Nasdaq as well coming down, but Dow's looking to test its lows of the morning here. We got 4 minutes until that PMI data comes out. Does the ES and the Nasdaq are essentially mirroring each other, whereas the Dow is looking a little bit weaker. So we'll see if the Dow eventually falls into line with both the Nasdaq and the ES. It looks like it's already doing so, kind of, in a way. Looks like the ES and the Nasdaq are catching up with the Dow. So,
are you serious?
Yeah, it does.
I've been, I will say, man, I've been trading the Dow a lot more than I expected as of late.
You have.
I don't know what it is about the Dow. Yeah.
You're starting to like it, aren't you?
I am. I am really starting to like it, and you know, I took some NASDAQ trades yesterday too. When you guys were mentioning, just come on, just take some NASDAQ. I took some NASDAQ trades too, and I do like trading the NASDAQ, but for some reason, I just really have been enjoying taking some stabs on the Dow, and I of course like the ES. I mean, I'm never gonna have a problem with the ES, but
Of course.
yeah,
No, I mean, fair play to you, man. I mean,
yeah,
it's good discovering new markets, and you know, I always used to be ES. Now I've been pretty much only exclusively NQ lately, so I totally get it, man. Sometimes you fall in love with a certain instrument, the way it works, the way it moves, and that kind of becomes your staple, and then eventually you change again at some point for whatever reason. It's just how it is.
Yep, no, for sure. I'll be my jaw will be on the floor the day you come back to another. Like if you come back to the ES or if you trade the Dow or something, I'll be shell shocked. I feel like you're just loving the NASDAQ, so it's gonna be hard to peel you away from it.
Yeah, sadly, but it's all good. I'm sure one day I'll go back to the ES. ES does still have a special place in the heart. It's the one I've always traded generally, and one I've technically made the most money I've ever made.
Yeah.
So,
All right, guys.
Now,
hey, Tony's back.
The NASDAQ.
Yeah,
hey,
Tony.
Tony.
About that.
The NASDAQ point of control for the NASDAQ that I have is 20 as of yesterday, and actually this morning's session right now is 23,245. So we're slightly above that. We've traded a little bit above it, a little bit below it this morning. So looks like, again, everything is still just comfortable. Everything is hanging around point of control of the previous day. So this is that whole diddle in the middle thing I was talking about yesterday. Like, don't want to really necessarily be diddling in the middle unless you've got something super clear that you can see right now in the data. So 2 more minutes.
Yeah,
2 more minutes till that data does come out.
I was with Coach Tiger last night for Quiet Markets, and he gave me a little synopsis on the diddling in the middle origins. And how you guys like to throw it around all the time now.
Yeah. I mean, it's an old adage. It's an old adage, but a goodie. And I feel like me and Tiger definitely have some. We speak in old tongue at times, so.
That's good. Bring back the old stuff. So of course, right, like we make this 15-minute opening range and then we're going to get that data and it's going to just totally blow through it one way or the other.
Right.
Really confused.
I wouldn't be surprised. 17
Get
seconds.
the handy dandy ruler. Wow. Come out.
All right. So great.
The news. Let's have a look.
It's higher, it's hotter.
Yeah.
Robert asks, how many contracts I take on NQ? I only take one usually, but I might bump it up to 2 today, following a little discussion with Tony in the not quiet markets in the Prime Day wrap up. Said I might try 2 contracts today, but we'll see. Only if the opportunity. I'm still a bit nervous about, potentially doing 2 contracts, but should be fine. We'll see.
You just got to do it, right? Because that's how you build up the comfort.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
Wow. And we are off to the downside. What are the downside targets that I've got here? Guess on the NASDAQ, I'm looking for a retest at 23,150 according to my charts. I'd be looking to towards that level on the downside. Let's see on the ES. I'm looking for a test down to 63.70 or 63.63. So those are the two down levels on the ES.
Nice.
We shall see.
It's like these morning, like I like you were saying, Tony. Sometimes these morning moves, like whether it's off of data or not, you can get stuck quick. Like if you think that you're following momentum to the downside, you just jump in the short. Maybe it breaks through a level you think is significant. You get in the short or whatever, and then it just literally pops up, just like it did right here. Like the ES just popped up now, 10 points. You got short on the break of, let's say, value area low of yesterday. It was just like a peekaboo move, and you literally are smoked. You're smoked immediately if you get short that. So this is kind of why it's like important when you open in range and in value of a previous day to kind of let things just settle a little bit. Let's see if we can't get some sort of trend going, or just understand, are we in more of a range? Let's get Sam's Sam's premonition brain in the works here. See if he can't, predict if we've got a range day coming in again, like he usually is able to.
I feel it's a range day so far. It's looking very much like a range day. The footprint's telling me it's a range day so far. Both sides are just unbacking it now. No one's really winning. There's good volume on both sides and sellers. There's no real.
I think our WealthCharts.
I couldn't tell you which one's winning.
Today.
You know what I mean?
Right. Right.
Yep.
I would say range day.
I wouldn't blame you. So, the only other thing we got is existing home sales, which I don't think is a big deal. So, are we gonna be playing any of the Jackson Hole stuff today? Are we gonna? Is anything?
I mean, we can do if we can do if the viewers would like it and find it some be beneficial, then absolutely we can do that. Anything.
Or target filled.
Yeah, it might be a good thing, at least when I think so. Okay. Oh no, wait. Powell isn't scheduled to speak until Friday at 10 a.m. So we don't. I don't think today we necessarily have to, but tomorrow, 10 a.m. is going to be the big one for sure. So getting ahead of myself on the days here. Thought Powell might have been today. It was
thought there was going to be stuff today.
All right.
Yeah.
I'm finished with my cash account. I'm up $2,188.80. That is me done.
There you go.
Cash account. Let's go to the Hola Prime. Let's do this. That was a nice open to scalp, man. Buyers and sellers, gaps everywhere. That was beautiful for scalp. I'm very happy. Got a big grin on my face.
Yeah, as you should be.
Did you get long off of that reversal right there for a trade?
I did,
long?
yeah.
Yeah, nice.
I did. It hit literally a gap from, what's this gap made? So that whole push up that we had
Anyways, let's see what's
yesterday,
going on here. See what
afternoon,
happens. Peacekeeping soundtrack.
Today. Volume profile that. There's a beautiful gap in the middle there. Touched it to the
Want to give me views? Is that
jumped up. That was lovely.
Is that what you're trying to tell me? You want me to buy some views?
Order filled.
You wouldn't believe
Target
I held
filled.
that for like 3 minutes.
There you go.
Kudos.
Must have been hard for you.
And it was actually down to Paul. Paul, you, as I was in the trade, you were saying, "Oh, it's a range day. Do you think it's a range day?" And then you kind of reminded me, "Yeah, it is a range day. It looks like a range day." Why get out now? I'm gonna get out higher up.
Interesting.
And get near the top of the range.
Kind of like that.
Held it. So, Paul, thank
That's
you for actually
crazy.
responsible for reminding me and
Do you see
keeping me
this?
strong in that
Do
trade.
you see this?
That's why we're all here to, help each other out.
Fast
so
that
I'm
was?
glad I
Coaching.
could help in any way, but
Active
we're all
coaching.
helping each other out. Awesome. Love to see it, especially in a
Very
cash account
interesting.
too. Good stuff, man. Awesome.
Yeah, I'm very happy. I need to buy a new laptop now.
You do.
Perfect.
You do.
Take it. Put the withdrawal request in right now.
Please,
I'll wait for tomorrow.
please.
Do a nice even Friday.
Oh yeah.
I'll put the gas in your car to go get it. Anything. Go get it.
The joke is, I've got like 4 laptops, but they're all terrible.
Stop buying
Literally,
bad ones.
they're all
man.
just they all suck. You go on Amazon and it's just like they have these like made in China and stuff. I mean, this one I'm using is a
Yeah.
Lenovo, so that's not too bad. But
Yeah.
yeah, and they look like these sleek MacBooks, but they're like Windows
Come
PC,
on.
and they look really good, and all the specs look amazing, and everyone's reviews great, and they're so cheap as well. And you think, all right, yeah, I mean, how bad can it be, right? And then you get the damn thing, and the bloody pad doesn't work properly. The buttons are all sticky, and I'm like, what a waste of money.
Oh god.
Yeah. It's tough.
Stick to the good brands. That's what I would say. When it comes to stuff like that, just stick to a nice, decent brand.
Yeah.
I went out, got this Lenovo, and the guy in the shop, he was selling it to me like it's the greatest laptop on the planet. He was like, "Oh yeah, it's powerful, it can do everything." Okay, I'll buy it. Now it can barely run. I mean, to be fair, on day to day, it's decent, right? But once you got YouTube, vMix,
Right.
screen sharing, all the charts, all that combined, then it just goes crazy. It just
Finally,
crazy.
you're back.
Right. Yeah, Lenovo's are good for like if you were just genuinely just like using it for trading and no streaming or anything, it would be completely fine. I agree 100%. I've had a Lenovo in the past before. They were fine, but I've never tried to run it with multiple softwares that drain the life out of whatever you're on. So that's why I'm glad I have a PC for this stuff for sure. You're gonna need a heavy duty laptop to be able to handle all this sufficiently.
Pretty much. That's what I think.
Yeah, I was gonna ask you that, Sam. Like, do you usually take your laptop and then like go into the office or your mobile with it, so you need a laptop, or is a PC that's like staying at your desk? Is that okay for you?
I mean, it would be, but when I do travel, I do take a laptop, so I would prefer if it was just laptop from the get go. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, I know. See, but that's the other thing is
But
that
I know
you're
a
gonna be paying
PC would be
premium
better.
anyways. Yeah, you're gonna be paying a premium because obviously more computing power in that little, mobile laptop. So, but I actually just picked up one about 2 months ago. Not a laptop, but a little mini PC.
Nice.
Mini PC is totally underrated. Like it's like 64 gigabytes of RAM, so like I can run everything, and it's only like 25, like maximum 25% utilization of like the RAM, and like it's great.
What is it called?
Great. It's quiet. So it's called a mini PC.
Mini PC.
Yeah, if you just look up like a mini PC.
Oh yeah,
and like
I've had
any
one
of the
these.
AMD,
It's like a little cube.
Yeah. Well, you don't want to get the one for like
I've got one of
$150.
those. I don't know where it is.
Nah, you gotta get the one that's like $700.
That's the one I got. I bought it as like a media center to like kind of plug into my TV, and then I can I don't know, stream stuff and whatnot. But again, it was a pile of crap that was. Couldn't do anything. These listings on Amazon, I'm telling you, they're good. Whoever creates these listings, they're good at selling stuff, man.
Yeah, I know.
You look look at it and you're
It's
like,
a business.
okay,
It's a
yeah.
business there. It looks like Mr.
That's
Reefy
good.
wants to share my screen back end. You know, I don't want to take away from Paul, but back end anytime.
Oh no.
Anytime you
I
want to
got
share
nothing
my screen,
going
it's
on.
fine.
Just got the NASDAQ up. That's it. So
Yeah, I ended up getting
Shared, I
short just a little bit on that pullback. 3 contracts.
all right.
Nice.
So
3
we'll see if we can't
contracts.
pull another one. Yeah, just 3.
Just 3.
It's, you know, I'm getting more comfortable.
Small
you know,
numbers,
it's
Tony. Are
just-
you feeling okay?
Yeah. It's gonna be a tough day. I didn't finish my morning coffee yet. You know, I gotta be out here working
Tiny
for everyone in
numbers,
the
I
chat. Yeah, I get short again. Actually, I don't want to get short right now. I want to wait for that candle to close below the opening range low, so I preemptively jitter on the trigger. I click the button by accident, guys. So for anyone in the chat that's looking for an NQ trade, I would generally wait until we get below that opening range low, get a candle that closes below there before I enter into it. And of course, right, I like bottom ticked it, hit the sell button. Now I'm short, and now it's, you know, the candle's jumping around everywhere. So we'll see. But for anyone that might be watching, kind of just sit on the sidelines, wait until we get a candle or two that closes below that opening range low. Yeah, because I mean, we could totally just jump back to the middle. Those the 9 MA, 21 MA are just like right there in the middle. So we could totally pull back to there, and then it's still like anyone's ball game, you know, up, down, sideways.
Yeah.
Whatever. So just be careful here. Don't be preemptive.
Welcome back, boys.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait.
Welcome back to you.
Back to you.
Highs and low.
You had to put some oil in the gears of the computer there. Like 2 days off, it just.
I'm just
seized up.
listening. I'm just listening to this this coach that keeps bragging about his P&L on a sim account, but that's cool. You know, I'm back. I am throwing down the gauntlet today. Let me tell you.
Perfect. It's perfect.
Yes.
Tony,
No,
man,
take
I
my
gotta
win
tell
if
you,
we can
I
get a
looked at
direct account.
I looked at some of your trades. They were awesome, man. They were great calls.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
you
I
did
hope that
great,
we have
man.
more of those.
You did really great.
Appreciate that.
I'm just-
that.
yeah,
I mean, that's really.
Killing it.
I mean, it's kind of a group effort, you know. I got Sam that forces me to take a look at the charts and try to execute a trade somewhere. And then, you know, I have Sam, Paul, Troy. We had on
You're
the
Sam,
stream,
like,
and,
what's the matter, Tony? Can you make another $5,000? I mean, come on, just a little bit.
yeah. I
Yeah,
gotta say,
just
just out
another-
here
I didn't know
making
such
generational
thing. I
wealth.
was
Generational love.
I was
exactly.
preaching risk management to Tony. I was saying, Tony,
Yeah,
please,
yeah,
risk
I could tell.
management.
I could tell. I could tell.
Yeah.
That's what I was saying.
Yeah. Sam does well on like the devil and the angel on both sides, right? Like, get into a trade. Come
Yes,
on.
exactly.
And then he's like, hey,
Exactly.
15 contracts, too much risk. What are you thinking?
Sam did awesome though. Sam did really well too, scalping his way to.
Yeah, he
man,
did.
he was.
Yeah, he had like
Killing it.
$3,400
Thank you.
in a day.
Yeah.
Something
Yeah.
like that, yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah, it wasn't too
I
bad.
saw that. I had a little birdie shoot me a message saying, "You got to check the end of the streams, man. In your absence, these guys are destroying you." What the hell is going on?
Daryl, you'll always be the highs and low bird.
Come on.
Don't
come
worry.
on.
Of course I am. Of course I am.
No one can replace you, Daryl. Don't you worry.
Yeah, I'm not worried. I'm unique in my own weird way. I know I am. Well, I wanted to make the
He's,
grand entrance and come in late. I wanted to come in late so I could see what the existing home sales report would be, right? And
Yeah.
not
See what
much
how
off
the market
not much off
reacted.
what was forecast. So, no.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Did anyone
Well-
see that? On my
What?
stream?
That move?
My take profit
No.
was like 2 ticks away from getting hit. Came all
Oh,
the way
really?
down and missed it, and now
Yeah.
I'm down.
Now it's going up.
Unbelievable. Oh my god.
That stuff happens. That's the worst.
Can't be
when
greedy.
that happens.
Yeah. Yep. Can't be greedy. Again, it might just be one of those days where it's like, yeah, definitely range bound, choppy, not getting all the way down to a level that it should get down to. Oh my god, great green candle.
Yeah. I was looking at getting long the Dow literally right before that spike down.
Order
occurred,
filled.
And then I was like, the NASDAQ and the ES are leading downwards. Maybe the
filled.
The Dow's going to, follow suit.
That's
and
crazy.
Immediately, all that ripping happens. And I'm just like, jeez. You can't win. You can't win right now. My goodness. Goodness.
Nope. Oh, man, it's tough. It's going to stop me out. Oh, my God. Yep, stopped out. Damn, we're going higher? I don't know. Maybe not.
We got a poll here. Which futures contract will steal the spotlight today? You know my answer, boys.
Dow Jones.
Corn.
It ain't the Dow. It ain't the Dow.
Oh.
Don't say it. It's got to be cattle.
Cattle.
Crude oil, S&P.
Why did I say that in American? Cattle.
Cattle. Paul, you got everybody on this cattle kick right now. You got
Yeah.
I mean, Chris was taking a cattle trade. Did you guys see this?
Yeah.
Chris Lewis took a cattle.
Yeah, but Chris
has been trading cattle.
He
though.
trades
He's a
everything.
madman. Does he?
This guy, Chris would
yeah.
trade absolutely anything. Oh yeah, he's.
Yeah, I was making.
I didn't know that.
I was
I
just
thought
making
that-
it a little bit more popular.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you were for sure. Okay. I saw that and I'm like, whoa. Paul's a trendsetter.
Chris would trade Pokemon cards as if he could, man.
Pokemon.
There was a market for it.
There is, seriously.
Chris trades.
You never. I was gonna say you never know. There's probably gonna be a security. I think. No, never mind. It's Nintendo that has. You can buy like the stock of Nintendo. It's as like a ADR or whatever. Not Pokemon. I was thinking. Dang.
Well, is
That could've been the new
Pokemon owned by
sleeper.
Nintendo?
I don't think so. I
Who
think
owns
they're their own
Pokemon?
company.
No?
I think that they're their own. I think it's like the Pokemon Company International or something.
What a name.
I'm gonna try it.
The Pokemon.
Gonna buy some
Company.
futures and Pikachu.
I like Blastoise myself.
Futures.
I like that turtle. That Blastoise turtle is cool, man.
Yes. Yeah.
One that shoots
Classic.
Because
water.
I got the armor
Charizard.
shell.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, Charizard. What is that?
I mean,
That's
I'm
like
amazed, Daryl. You even know what
I know some of
Pokemon
these.
are.
I know some of these. I have a over 50-year-old men with no lives secret Pokemon trading club group that I formed on MySpace.
Also,
It's on MySpace actually still, and we only the guys that are like 55 and up are on MySpace. So yeah, I formed a group. I'm kidding.
Perfect.
Got it.
You gotta know your
I have
target.
nieces
MySpace.
and nephews and stuff. That's how I know about this crap. That's how
you
the only
meet
reason
up
I know.
every Wednesday.
My little nephews come over to my house and they bring all this stuff, and I'm like, "What is all this?" Like, it's Pokemon. I'm like, "Oh, okay. That's the only way I know."
Yeah, I'm ready.
As
I'm
long as it's not drugs.
Robert.
Yeah.
Robert, I'm waiting for the Robert indicator today to hop into my first trade here. So whenever you got the stuff,
How we doing, Robert?
let me know.
Robert's saying I need to get the gaming Lenovo. That's probably, you're probably right. I think a gaming laptop is essentially what I need.
Yeah.
If it can handle 4K gaming, it can handle all this. That's the way I look at it.
Right. today is a range day. Wouldn't be a bad time to short, but starting to lose confidence in that.
Yeah.
Decent amount of
Give it a
buyers
bit of
coming
time.
in here.
That overnight low in the ES, Paul. What were you saying?
I don't
It
know what's
came
going
down
on
to.
here. We're gonna give it a shot, but we're waiting.
What was it?
We are
the
waiting.
low,
Actually, we got to get 13. We
the
did.
value area low or an actual session?
Value area low. Yeah, the problem I will say with the value area of yesterday's range in the ES is that it's conflicting. If you're looking at volume value area low, it's actually 63 like 71. If you're looking at time value area low, it's 63 like 81. So there's a big range in which it differs.
Yeah.
Which could be like more of just a zone that you'd want to be looking to possibly, get long and support. You have to just be a little bit more wary of
Trying
that.
to determine what it's doing. Is it gonna go low? Is it gonna go higher?
Yeah.
Is it gonna bounce right here?
Yeah, I'm looking for levels on the downside. If we go back, I think it was August 6th
Order
or 7th. I
filled.
was looking at it before we got on
Oh,
the stream.
shoot.
And of course I had issues getting in, so I'm trying to find it again, but I was extrapolating way back because it was interesting how.
Order filled.
Where was it? Was it yesterday? Again, I didn't trade the last couple of days, so I'm just trying to catch up. But I was looking at, where did we come down to? The actual low of yesterday in the RTH, in the ES, was like right about the point of control for August 7th and August 6th. Those two profiles. So it was kind of forming a base. And then I'm going further out, and then it almost matches the exact low of day from July 31. So going 3 weeks back. So
Order filled.
I mean, there's a lot of volume below everything here, but I'm just looking at what would cause it to go below this and what would hold it up. Right now, obviously, it's holding up. I'm just trying to get my bearings here to see. I do have a short bias though, guys. Just based on what happened in the overnight as well, not just even the last 2 days. The overnight came up kind of double top, but it was kind of like a weak. Well, I wouldn't say it's a weak high. It's probably a strong high. It came up pretty hard 2 times. Did not get above, which was probably
Order filled.
high. Paul, yesterday, like 64.19-ish in the ES.
Okay.
I'm guessing that's probably close to value area high. So it came there, and then it just sold off right in the overnight until we opened up here about, 40 minutes ago. So I kind of have a short bias on the day, even though we're coming up. Maybe we'll come up and retest something, and then we'll maybe roll over. So that's just kind of what I'm seeing. But I've been out of the game for a couple days, so I don't know.
Order filled.
Oh yeah, I was contemplating just a small stab at the short here to come back into range a little bit, but it kind of just I don't know. It feels like too much of a flip of a coin instead of just like a probabilistic scenario to me. So just staying away from it for now. See if we can't maybe come back down into somewhere where we then like a higher low of some sort.
That did not work out for
here.
me.
Maybe hang out by the 23,245 area, which was that point of control before like reversing back up or something. Maybe getting along for a breakout, but kind of having trouble with buying the breakout at the moment.
I feel like he doesn't want to do it really. Yeah, should just push through.
Struggling.
Order filled.
Come on, 5,000 buy contracts right now.
Order filled.
You in a long here, Tony, or you in a trade?
Yeah, I'm in a small long. I mean, it's chopping around though. Up 100, down 100 is what it is.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, see, I'm looking to get short, but
Yeah,
it's got to either come down to this. If it comes down to this low volume on the developing profile in the ES, that's still not where I want to get short. I'd rather get short on the outer above the developing IB high.
mm-hmm.
We're still ranging on the IB. And the overnight high is at around 64.19 in the ES. So anybody in the chat that's trading the S&P today, these are just kind of two targets that I'm looking at. We've already gone through and traded the overnight low. So our current IB low has surpassed that. But since we've been coming up and we're above point of control currently, the overnight high is something I got an eye on. I would look to see if we retest and then maybe fall back in range.
Might happen for you, Tony.
Order filled.
I don't know. I'm targeting
Order
that
filled.
just below that previous day's close. The 23,318 area. But I'm gonna give it some room, because I don't want to get. I don't even know what I call it. Like where it doesn't push to my take profit again. I don't want that to happen.
Order filled.
I'll try to lock it in at like 23,315. Hopefully make $1,300, get back in the green.
Yeah.
Getting a nice
make
little
a second
push
push here. Man,
Yeah, we're extending higher in the ES too.
ain't no rest for the wicked. You get in or you go home, it seems. My goodness.
Order filled.
Yeah.
God, it's tough.
This might just be a little bit grindy for you, but might be a little bit. Almost. I mean, you're already. You were only 15 ticks away on that high of the candle, so. could see a
Damn,
little
I had to
spike up.
mess it up, huh?
Seems like a mile from
Hey.
here. With 2 contracts. Yeah. Oh man. See, but I mean, it's just the behavior. It's not behaving the way that obviously what I want to see. But it's the market, right?
Yeah.
And I've already done this is my 3rd trade of the morning, and it seems as though they're not working. Oh crap! Oh my god! I just bought another. I wanted to sell it there. Shit.
You can get out.
It's working out in your favor. So.
Yeah.
Probably best to just get out.
I thought
of
it said
at break
stop
even.
buy or stop sell. All right, I took one off because again, like it's just like not working the way that I want. So I've already taken 3 trades. I've taken 3 trades. I'm down $300. Like I say, like these plays that I'm trying to do are not working out. So probably after this, I'm gonna close it and just sit on my hands because it seems like that's the best course of action.
Don't blame you. I don't.
Order filled.
Yep. And like again, like it's just jumping around at that opening range high, the 23,290 level, and it's just like does not want to pick or choose a side.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And
Very rangy.
Tanaka is asking for your open position. Right now, he's open, I believe, 3 NQ contracts, but I guess
just closed it out. Just got stopped out.
Okay, got it.
So we're down, chat. Of course, market always humbles.
For now.
Yeah, for now, right?
For now.
It's very early.
Exactly.
It is, and chat, like I said, I just went through, a couple of the things that I was kind of talking about is, again, like I'm playing that 15-minute opening range, so you can see it on my chart here. Opening range high, 23,290,
Order filled.
basically. Opening range low, 23,199.
Order filled.
And I mean, we were getting kind of a breakdown earlier, about 20, 30 minutes ago, through that opening range low, had a candle close. The second one was starting to paint, and I wanted to get wicked in my take profit, and
Order
it was just
filled.
like 2 or 3 ticks away, so that was kind of rough. And then just immediate rocket to the upside, and here we are now, diddling around with the opening range high, but seemingly doesn't want to bust through.
Order
And
filled.
then of course we have that previous day's close, this little blue dash line. Might expect a little bit of resistance there, but yeah, that's kind of what we're looking at here. And nice little pullback to that 9MA. Again, the 9MA, nothing to live or die by, but you do want to see some support. But seems like the MAs are just crossing too. They don't really know which way they want to go. Short one should lead the long one should lead the short. Who knows? It's still anybody's ball game, as they say in the States.
Yeah, the ES is also following suit with that 9 EMA, man. It's sticking to it well, and it looks bullish.
That's
right
a huge.
now.
There's a huge pop up right there. Look at that
Yeah.
rip. Just rip. Paul, every time you say something, the market listens to you, man. I don't know. It's like
Order
Well,
filled.
I don't know, some
Order
magical
filled.
abilities.
No.
Do you
It's
notice
just,
that too?
it-
Like every time Paul says something
Yeah.
about the market, it tends to like within like 30 seconds it does it.
It does exactly that.
He's got this.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've
so
noticed.
now
it
I
too.
just need to every
Sometimes
time
it's-
words are coming out. Every time words are coming out of my mouth, just to make sure that the words are connected to the keyboard so that I execute, I guess, the trades then.
No, you
I'm
gotta
just
have
switching to
the
15
position
contracts
first.
every time now. I'm just gonna go full
Yeah,
max.
Yeah.
Whenever Paul says anything.
15 contracts.
I don't know.
Are you baptizing babies now, Paul?
Yeah, exactly. Instead of like a cross on the forehead, it's like a chart. It's like a chart of the ES.
Could you imagine?
Spilling.
That is fun.
Oh, dear.
Oh my, that is
quite
great. That is pretty funny. That is pretty.
That is pretty funny. I give you that.
Oh.
Order filled.
Oh boy. Let's see.
I want to take a trade so bad. I feel like I'm just going to get long here in the ES in a second. I'm just
Don't
going to get
do it.
long off the
Bloodbath.
I
Order
was thinking it
submitted.
too, but I'm not now. I'm waiting. I'm waiting for my IB to be set. I got 10 more minutes. I'm not in a hurry.
I'm long. I'm long the
Because
ES.
if I FOMO in, really? Okay, I'm going in with
Long the
15
ES.
contracts as he's in.
Oh god.
Let him. Let him.
I'm just long off of the. I'm just taking a small stab off the bounce on the 9
Breakout?
period here. So going for 6 points or so. Nothing. 5 points.
Order submitted.
We will see.
Ooh, that was a good click.
Silver taking another run. There you go.
Yeah.
Order submitted.
You serious?
Yeah, see, if I wanted to get
You
long
should have
again,
enough
or try my
left,
luck at a long in the
right?
NASDAQ.
You gotta be
I needed
kidding
to
me.
close. No, it's not going to go higher. I don't think. I need this candle to close like above the last 2 candles, or at least somewhere near the high of the last 2 candles on the 2-minute chart. And it's just not wanting to do it.
Wouldn't be surprised if these like longs that just like blew through in the ES here at 6407 like got
Serious?
liquidated, something
Right now?
similar to like what Sam says, where longs get trapped
Stop pick.
and then they
Stop
immediately
pick.
get
Could be
liquidated
Everything
out.
messed up. Everything
But-
messed up.
I'm simple.
But
This is the
briefly.
most simple thing you could do, where I'm literally getting long off the EMA bounce here, like we've seen 2 other times in the last 10 to 12
I
minutes
think
here
we
on the
just got
ES.
screwed.
We'll see if it holds up, but yeah, I just want to get into something here.
Yeah.
So see if we get below 6,400 in the ES, and I'll look to get long.
I think we just
on a pull-
liquidated.
on a
Our
weekly
whole
pullback.
thing just
It
stopped
also happens
working.
to coincide with low volume on the profile. So to me,
trade in.
I even though I am, like I said, I was kind of biased
I
for
think
the
it just
shorts
blew
today.
$500 right now.
You know, if it wants to keep climbing, I'll wait to get in. If it gives me an opportunity to go long, I'll go long. And it may just go long and get up to the overnight high, and then that's all she wrote, kind of thing. So we could have an inside day.
Yeah, I mean,
we could have an inside day from yesterday
testing
too.
the
We could
waters
just
here.
trade within. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
No, 100%.
I mean, what would the
Testing
range
the waters
on
with a
ES
little
yesterday
long
was
here.
All right.
Ooh.
Yeah, what was the
Yeah,
range
we
on
had
the
like a
ES there?
70-point range in the ES.
Order
Like
rejected.
70 points yesterday in the RTH. That's pretty good. We could do an inside day easily after as much movement we've had in the last couple of days.
Yep.
I mean, it came all the way down below 6,400, right?
So for anyone watching this NQ, we gotta get a little push above this previous day's close, 23,319. You know, we're five points away, 23,315.
Ridiculous.
I mean, this is definitely providing a little bit of resistance here. Not liking it,
It is, yeah.
but I mean, I don't like anything, especially today.
Here we go. Come on.
See, and then of course, it's one of these things that I'm staying in the trade, right? I'm sticking with it, and
what
it's
is
just like
going on
slowly
here?
decaying over time as I stay in. And then
You see
it
what's
starts
going
to go
on? That's what I'm
against me
talking
and I
about.
fucking get stopped out. Like, God, it's not there. You gotta keep it tight today, at least for the morning session.
Yeah.
Order,
See
order,
profit, take profit, right?
And I mean, this is kind of why I am literally looking for like 4.25 points right now. I'm risking 3 points to make 4.25. This is nothing. I'm not looking for a 2 or 3 to 1, honestly, right now. I'm just looking to make a couple $100,
Basically a 1-to-1.
and then reassess.
Yeah.
order submitted.
So
Nothing wrong
let's
with
see if
that.
we can't get this.
There's nothing wrong with
push
one.
up
Dude,
right
come
here.
on.
Come on,
Please
push
fix
up. I need
yourself.
this. Come on.
Well, it's in about 5 minutes,
Hurry
my
up.
IB will be set, and if we set the IB at this level here, then I'll be looking for, an IB breakout or a failure move. So the closer we get to my stat, I know like Tony trades the 15-minute IB, I do the 60. So we'll see. We'll see what happens.
Get there. Come on. Just break out.
So I mean, we closed above. We had a couple
Order
candles
filled.
close above
Order
that little
filled.
yellow line that you see on my chart. So that was positive. That was my
Jeepers.
initiation or my confirmation on the short. I mean, on the long, which I did get long. Again, though, we're right at that previous day's close, getting some resistance. I don't like the number of contracts that are trading. We're definitely below average volume, right, today?
Yeah. For
Seems
sure.
like it, yeah.
Yes, for sure.
Yeah. So again, like not enough buyers and sellers to make it just move in one direction. I'll try to peel some off.
I mean, we had Walmart earnings. We've had, PMI numbers. We've had some of this, some of that. We've had, who was speaking? Was it Bostic or I think someone was speaking earlier. The market may just be kind of did its thing. Now we're waiting for Jerome tomorrow.
Yeah,
I don't know.
languishing.
Good old Jerome.
Yeah. I'm so mad right now.
Yeah.
Dude, it literally made that push. It broke above. That's the worst, man.
I see
It broke above. I was literally like 3 ticks away from
One
my
tick.
take profit. Yeah, and it just took me out. So for a one, so it was like, that's unfortunate, man. That was looking okay for a second there, and So I'm down 127 at the moment.
Come on back down.
See, what happened is I went away
I
from
can play my IB high stat.
thoughts.
I would love to play the IB high stat.
Yeah.
But just because we're close to the IB high, and I've got a high probability that says, you know, either one of these IB high or IB low are going to get tagged or traded through before the end of the entire session. So we still got lots of time left. Doesn't mean that just because we're really close to the high, doesn't mean that we're going to go to the high. I've been in endless trades, endless days, and I think I've even done it here with you guys. I remember Paul watching me do this, where I was like, look, we're close to the high, and then it just said, nope, we're going to fall all the way down, and we ended up trading through the low and not the high. So, you know, the randomness, and it's almost like what you just experienced, Tony, where you came close to your take profit in that, like 2 trades ago, and it just turned around on you, came right back up, right? Like, nah, it's like, yeah, so close, but yet so far. Goodbye.
I did. I did
and
get
it's just
long
so crazy
again.
when it does that.
Yeah.
did
So
get
I'm still in the
long
long. I
again.
picked up one more contract here, and it looks like we're getting another push. Like, can we do it? I don't know. Can we do it? Let's go, chat. Tony, red day. Yes,
what's
I am
crazy?
in the red right now.
I don't see much. I don't see much liquidity at this level in the ES. I see it at 64.20, but I don't see it anywhere here.
Yeah.
Give me
Really
that.
not
Give me
much
that one little
resistance
push
here.
up, please. Please.
I almost made my money back
Please.
right there. I'm almost flat. I'm like $30 down now, so I made 100 back there on that push up.
No, give it to me.
I wouldn't be surprised if this tries to break now, Tony.
Break
so
to the upside.
maybe
What
Yeah,
up,
maybe it
Coach
needs to-
Tiger?
maybe it needs to
Coach
consolidate a
Tiger's
little
in
bit
the
longer
house.
here.
Tiger.
You can do it. Put your back into it. You can do it. Mr. Peeps, what's up, my friend?
It wants to go up. There we
Tony,
go.
a red
Took two
day.
off.
He learned from TBB trades. That's why he's got a red day. That's all I'm gonna say.
Yeah.
Gee.
You must have bought the course, the pro package or something. Professional loser. Come
That's funny.
on. Okay, here we go. All right.
Look
There
at
we go.
this.
I'm gonna
That
try
is
my last
funny.
contract
I'll give you
here.
that.
Along the Dow.
I know.
Okay, there we go. There we go, chat.
You're long the
For
Dow.
anyone that's stuck into that long,
Okay.
good job.
Yeah.
We're out. Oh shit! Cancel that order.
Well, you got to get some continuation here. All right, let's set my IB.
Unbelievable.
Let me zoom in. Let me set my IB.
On too many Dows here.
I still
Long
think
too
we've
many
got a target
Dows.
for the overnight high.
Come on.
No.
Jump down. Jump.
IB is set.
Crazy.
All right, IB is set. IB high set at 64.1250. Pull back for an extension. There we go. Right on cue.
All right. Now we're going to see the Dow shine here. It's going to jump up about 35 points by where my target profit is, and we're going to be just swimming in money. All right. Come on.
All right, let me get it. Let me get in the yes then. Paul said it. It's like when E.F. Hutton talks. It's like when Coach Paul Gallo talks, people listen.
Yeah, right. Yeah, dude. Don't even. As soon as that all started, that talk started happening, I literally lost $125. So do not necessarily think that is the truth.
It's just
But I made it
testing
back.
your patience. That's all.
I made it back, but a little bit of it back at least. Come on, Dow. Come on, go.
I'd like to see it come.
Not
I'd like to
that
see the
way.
ES come back down to about 64.05, and I'll enter along. We're at a low volume area. Let's just get deeper. Can you
Unbelievable, just the reversal in that trade there. God, terrible.
For a second, I thought you were singing some Creed there, Daryl.
Oh no, you know what I'm singing? I'm singing "Damn Yankees," or like Ted Nugent's group. Can you take me higher? I don't know the words, but it's kind of like a little rock ballad.
Order fill.
Yesterday's just a memory. Oh yeah, you're kind of young. Paul may hear it because Paul likes classic rock, so he may know of it.
Yeah, no,
Tony,
I've definitely heard it, but it's funny because when you hear "Can you take me
Order
higher,"
submitted.
I think most people think immediately
Order
like
submitted.
Creed.
Order submitted.
Yeah, I
Order
know.
submitted.
Yeah, that's appropriate. I just think of these words, like I get these stupid songs in my head because I'm like, let's go higher. And I'm like, it's like, like when I say like, come on, market, push it. And I go, push it real good. And I just start getting salt and pepper in my head. I don't know. Takes over.
Yep.
Or Sam is whistling, Sam's going to come up with some song watch. He's going to get something in his head here in the next few minutes.
Yeah, I'll create an original, I think, this time around.
Oh, an original.
Something never heard before. Yeah, why not? Original composition.
Yeah,
by me.
I like that.
Mm-hmm.
That'll be good, right?
Yes.
Man.
A Sam original.
I was struggling. It is ever so struggling.
Order submitted.
I mean,
Order
the Nasdaq's
submitted.
not looking
Order
pretty,
fill.
that's for sure. It's not looking so pretty anymore. But that opening range, that opening range high, that like of that 15-minute that you're talking about, Tony, of let's say 23.
Order cancel. Order fill. Order cancel.
Right
Order fill.
I don't know if that usually can act as support for like
It
the
can.
Nasdaq. Like if you ever see that act as support,
Yeah,
Right,
I mean,
along,
for certain it can, but it's going to be one of those things like as 2, 3, 4 more minutes go on, we might start to converge with that 21 MA that I have on my chart, and I mean, obviously, if it breaks that, then I guess we would be trending short. But it's like that. That's the thing, is that these trends they don't last enough. The life of these trends is so short that it's not going to be,
Alright,
getting
guys.
short and then Nasdaq's going all the
I'm
way down to
100% upset for
150.
now.
It's just going to trend and grind and go up and go down and go up and go down to 23,220.
You have no idea.
And I don't know, you'll get chopped up.
Mm-hmm.
It's just so tough. I mean, good that we're getting a little bit of a support here right now. I mean, we barely touched that 21 MA. But we did trade through the opening range high just for a second there. Seems like the sellers are just taking a little breather, but I mean, I don't love it, obviously. I don't love anything about this morning.
Yeah, not me either at the moment. See if we can't find some more trades here.
And for anyone in the chat, like, I saw it. Yeah, you guys have probably been following us for like the past couple of days. Like, yeah, I've had some, personally, had some pretty good days. And then, of course, today, right, I was down like $1,500 pretty much unrealized. And now I'm up 1,000. It's just one of those days where like the market trend is just super choppy. And obviously, as we close in on that 10 a.m. Eastern time, Jerome Powell, Jackson Hole, Wyoming speech, that's probably going to be the capitulation. So you just need to survive today.
Yeah, exactly.
The thing that I think about right now is, those huge gains that I had the last 2 days, they came through leverage and they came through trending market. Majority of the time I was just following the trend. We're dumping in the NASDAQ, I'm getting short, and it's like shooting fish in a barrel, just very easy to make profit. And especially if you're levered up, 3, 4, 5 contracts. it's really easy to make money. So
Very
like
easy.
today,
Yep.
I think to myself, okay, Tony, like you're up $1,000. You were in the red before. What do you have to do now? You got to size down for sure. Because if you continue playing with like now 2, 3, 4, 5 contracts, you're easily going to be down $3,000, you know, in a clip. So I definitely have to size down. I'm probably only going to be doing one contract for the remainder of the morning session, so the next hour and a half. So yeah, that's kind of where my headspace is at. And once everything calms down, like you definitely have to check in with yourself and be like, okay, what are you doing wrong today? Because it seems as though you're kind of going off the rails.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
So I'm
You
sizing
better
down.
check
for sure.
yourself before you wreck yourself.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Check yourself before you wreck yourself.
You better check yourself before you wreck
Check.
yourself.
Let's get shorts.
What's
Ah,
your
that's
Maximus?
definitely
3
short.
out of 3 green
point.
days with me. That's great. Good for you. Happy to see it. I didn't see you book my Calendly. Book a one-on-one session.
Come on.
I hope you found the link. Sam put it in there. Hola
Is it
Pop TV put it
activated?
in
Are
there.
we activated on that? Do we
I
activate
think
those?
so.
Yeah. Of course.
Are they? On the site, it doesn't show
Yeah,
it.
it's ready. Like you can. Nah, it does. You gotta go to
No, I actually-
Hola Prime
yeah, go ahead.
Futures, obviously, and then go
Yeah, I
to
know.
I think on the tab where it says trading, and then you see one-on-one coaching, and then everyone's got their own little picture, obviously in the bio, and then you've got a big book now button next.
Oh,
to,
there's the
next to
book
every
now.
coaching.
Okay,
That takes you to
okay.
Calendly.
I was scrolling
you
down
gotta go to the
on the home
one-on-one
page
through
further.
the menu. Yeah, if
Yeah,
you
yeah.
just scroll all
I
the way
got
down
you.
and you can't click on anything. Yeah, I think that's
That's
fine.
right. That's what I was doing.
Good,
scrolling all
good
the way
looking
down.
short here, Paul.
Yeah. Let's go.
Great looking short.
Got it back.
I mean, we might
Got
free
it
fall
back.
here.
Let's freaking go, man. Just got that $350 back on that
There you
one
go.
short.
Very
Come
nice.
on. That was a good
Back
one.
into
That
the
felt
green.
fantastic.
That's good.
That was good.
That was good, dude. Yep.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oof.
Yep, Nasdaq still undecided.
Coming down to VWAP.
Who knows? We might trade down to the middle of the opening range at 23,245 and then just for some reason bounce off of it. Again, anything could happen. Look at the 5-minute chart. Looks like a bull flag on a 5-minute. Little retracement. Let's see.
Yeah, geez Louise. Are we just going to dump? My goodness.
Yeah. Yeah, 21
5
MA,
minute.
not holding up, it looks like.
Yeah, I had my target, like on that short that I just took off, I had my target right below where the 21, the 50, and the VWAP were all converged at 23.20
Mm-hmm.
or 23.275. They all converged.